Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a buddy of ours bike, and Twink's going to tell you all about it.
Alright, so this is our buddy's, I don't know what year, I think it's a 97, 96 Heritage Softail. It's an Evo. It's been, I know it doesn't look like it's all shiny and stuff, he cleaned it before he brought it to me, but it's been sitting for 2 years and has not ran. We put it on the charger overnight and it may have enough juice to try to fire it up, but I guess what we're going to do first is try to fire it, see if it does anything at all, and then go from there. We'll probably have to drain the gas out, probably have to clean the carb, but we'll try to start it first and see if it does anything at all. Got gas in it. Yeah, that gas is old. So I guess first order of business is we'll go ahead and take the fuel line off the petcock and drain all the old gas that's out of it, and then we'll go ahead and pull the carburetor off. Well, I'll sit there and let that do its thing. We'll go ahead and start pulling off the carburetor on the other side. Go ahead and pull this air filter off of it too. Alright, we'll go ahead and pull this thing apart and see what it looks like on the inside. Yeah, this thing definitely hasn't been cleaned in a long time. We're going to go ahead and pull it apart and see what it looks like on the inside of it. Alright, we'll go ahead and get this flow ball off. Let me see if the accelerator pump's spraying first. Hell no. It ain't doing nothing. Yeah, it ain't gonna run like that.
Okay.
That's bad. Oh my god. Yeah, there's the jet. Definitely not gonna work like that. Well, we'll get some carb cleaner, get this thing sprayed off, and try to see if we can save it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pull these jets out. I'm just gonna fill up the float bowl and throw the jets in it and let them be soaking, because this thing's got some serious gunk on it. Alright, we'll go ahead and spray this thing out and let it soak, and we'll get back to you in just a minute. Alright, so we got this cleaned out as best we could. I went and let it soak, then took a steel brush, cleaned all that out, cleaned out the jets and blew them out. Also put a, I happen to have a new Mikuni rebuild kit. So we put a new float valve in there, and the accelerator pump was stuck too. So we got that fixed, put all new O-rings and stuff in there, and hopefully we're ready to go.
It looks a lot better.
It looks so much better. And we got new screws for it too. We'll go ahead and slap this back on the bike and see if it runs. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and feed this through there, and I'll go ahead and I'll put my throttle cables on first. I'll route that down there away from the exhaust. There we go. And believe me, I wish I had this one on the lift, but all of our lifts are taken up right now. Now we're going to put some gas in it. Alright, so we got the fuel on. I'm going to check for fuel leaks. And we're going to go ahead and change all the fluids in this thing anyway because it's been sitting so long. But I wanted to rebuild the carburetor first before we change the oils and stuff, in case the float stuck and filled up the crankcase full of gas, so I'd have to change it all over again. So I'm going to do this first, hopefully get it running, and then we'll go back and change all the fluids. Try to do something. Get outside so it quits stinking. Choke's even doing anything. So it's not wanting to idle. The intake gaskets are just gone. So when it's cold, it's just sucking too much air. That's why it won't idle and it's popping and everything else. As it warms up, it runs fine and the gaskets seal. I'll call him and see if he wants to go ahead and put gaskets on it or not. And we'll go ahead and change the oils and stuff on it too.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Like he said, he's going to give Spencer a call and see what he wants to do. We'll probably do that off video though. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave us some comments down below, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thanks.